Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how you can create an assignment and schedule it for multiple classes at the same time. I'm in Google Classroom under the Classwork tab. Click Create Assignment. I'm going to give it a name. Choose both classes and choose the down arrow next to the Assign button. Schedule. And now here, I can schedule it for my first class to go live on Thursday at 8 a.m. And I can schedule it for my second class to go live on Thursday at 9 a.m. And when I'm done, just click Schedule. That's how easy it is to schedule an assignment to multiple classrooms at the same time. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.